Welcome back to another update, guys. Here with me is Tecno 528. A lot of engineers knows about this phone, and the phone is very simple to repair. You understand? It's very simple when you understand. Here we are having low battery. Today we're going to look on how to fix this low battery issue. Even when your battery is full from another phone, if you fix it in that same phone, it will show you battery low, and for the meantime it will start telling you battery showdown, so you need to charge again. That is not because your battery is faulty. No, it was the phone that is faulty, and it's just a minor something. Share you get. So follow me with this video. Let me show you how you're going to fix that issue. Let me restart the phone again. As you can see, it's telling you battery low, which the battery is have some percentage on it. That's supposed to be showing maybe 1 bar or 2 bar, but it's telling you battery low. Sometimes it will say battery shutdown, which the battery have some percentage in it. So if you take the battery to another phone, it will show you battery full or maybe some bar inside. But when you brought it to this phone, it will be telling you battery low. So follow me carefully. Let me show you how you're going to fix this issue. As you can see, let me zoom this place very well. You can see we have a R200 resistor. Some phone, some 528, you'll be seeing a R20, but that is not why we are here. As you can see, the R20 is there, or R200. You can see a little tiny hole that I'm scratching. You can see it very well. That hole, you can scratch that hole, then make sure you bridge it to that resistor. That is all. Don't change any resistor, don't change anything, guys. It's very simple. So watch me as I do it. And if you are watching from my YouTube channel, please guys, please subscribe, okay? Make sure you drop a comment. Ask me any question. If you don't understand something, make sure you ask me. Don't just watch and leave it like that. Make sure you give a like or a comment, and please subscribe. And if you are watching from my Facebook page, please make sure you follow me and turn on your notification bell icon. Also do the same to my YouTube channel, okay? And if you are watching from my TikTok, please click the follow button, okay? And even if you are watching from my Instagram, please, I'm begging you, please make sure you follow me and drop a comment. That will give me more courage to bring you this kind of update, guys. As you can see, I'm scratching it very carefully. Don't rush, okay? Don't rush. Scratch it very carefully. Then make beside that hole. Yes, I forgot. Beside that hole, I cannot zoom it very well, okay, due to the way my camera is. So beside that hole, you can see a little ground that have some lead beside it. So make sure you don't bridge them together. Sure you get. Don't bridge that extra ground. There is lead outside there. Don't bridge it together to the resistor and to the tiny hole. So let me show you how it works. As you can see, yeah, that is where I'm showing you. Look at the hole here, and my hair is that place alone that you bridge. Make sure you avoid the other side, this part, the one close to my knife. As you can see, there is a lady there, but I'm going to do a practical so that you see it. I'm going to bridge everything together so that I will still remove it and fix everything before your presence, so that you understand what I'm saying, so that you shouldn't go and do another thing and later you will be commenting on my video that I'm not teaching you very well. Sure you get. So follow me carefully. Let's fix things together, okay?
Follow me carefully. I'm bridging everything together now. So that is the place I'm talking about. Now, as you can see, I've bridged everything together. Now remove the lid. Watch how I'm removing the lid. Make sure you do it carefully so that you will not go and damage the ground. And secondly, make sure your soldering iron is very, very hot, okay, for a smooth work. Make sure you do it gently. Just watch how I'm going to remove it. I've disconnected the ground and the other place. So watch how I'm going to connect the only the resistor and the small hole bridge together. Here we go, guys. Everything is super laid together now. As you can see, it's okay now. So make sure that is the place I said you should avoid. Only the small hole and the resistor you're going to bridge together. So now let's fix our battery. Let's see whether the work is done or not. All right, no more battery low again, guys. As you can see, the problem is solved. But forget that the battery is showing one bar. Share you get. That is how the battery is. If your battery is fully charged, it will show you fully charged. So don't panic. Don't fear. Your work is done perfectly. If you follow my step and do it, it will also give you the same results. If your battery is full from another phone, that is how it's going to show you. Even this one now, if I take it to another phone, it will still show me that one bar because that is how the battery is.